Hi guys, this is Toyota Corolla 2017 hybrid 2GR ZWA186R. So this one is a problem. The cooling control light on, the light is just come for the error message from here. So hybrid battery cooling part, if you have to do, if you like check it on, it's come part of some back seat in here. You have to off back cover. And there you can see the vent. There's two clips in here and here. Another clip in here. You can see this vent is completely blocked. This part. That side not cooling for the hybrid battery. There is a completely blocked this surface, so it's not going for the air for the inside. Then hybrid battery is not cooling. This is the main problem for the blocking for the vents. Okay, we clean nice and clearly. So we can do now put back. So the side is clearly nicely. All good.